Welcome. Today we will talk about how to use the laundry invoice page. To get this page, go to the search bar and then search for laundry invoice. It will appear here. Click on it. It's similar to any sell and purchase page. To add a new invoice, click on New Invoice button and then select the client you are dealing with from here. After that, go to Products and then choose Laundry, as you can see here. So I'll search for laundry. And then you can choose the clothes you want. For an example, I'll choose thobe or the thobe. Click on it and now we have several options. Do you want to steam clean or press only or clean and press? So I'll choose steam. But if you want fast cleaning for this thobe, click on fast cleaning and click on these points, click on OK. So now if I clicked on the thobe again, steam, as you can notice here, the price is more than this price because it's fast cleaning. Also, you can add more information about this product if you want a spot, if there is a spot in it, or there is a fold, medium, or blue. As you can see here, medium or heavy, light or none. And if you want the merzam or without merzam, square or down top or none. So I'll select here, there is a spot, there is a fold here, the merzam, square, and even the storage here, heavy, blue here as light. Now you can select the payment method if you want to pay Visa, Master, or Span, or even pay all of it in cash. So I'll choose to pay all of it in cash. And now click on the check mark so the changes can be saved. After that, click on Post and Print to make this invoice enable from editing. So after clicking on Post and Print, you cannot edit anything in this invoice. This invoice will appear here so the client can take his items later by printing this invoice. You can export it to anything you want from here by clicking on Export To, and you can also print it by clicking on Print button. Now, if the client came after 2 or 3 days to pick up his laundry, so open this page and then click on Deliver. This page will appear with you, so you have to click on Return Full Invoice and then click on Return All Quantity. So all the products you added before will appear here. Click on Open Original Invoice if you want to return some of the products, not all of it. So you can select that from here. So I'll select one product, and after that, click on the check mark and then close this page. You can click on Post and Print from here, and this page will appear with you after posting this invoice. Now, to open the list of this page, go to the header, click on Search List. Now, specify the date from here. So it's from 2018, and then click on Get Server Data to get all the data relevant to this main period. And as any list in Al-Wasta, you can export it to anything you want by clicking on Export button. You can preview it and print it. You can remove a column or add one by clicking into any column, right click and then click on column chooser, drag and drop the column here, or remove it by dragging it until this X mark appear. You can group by column. And that was all about laundry invoice. Thanks for watching.